Hi, welcome back to This Family Adventures. I'm Lauren.
I'm Gwen, and today I purchased some ears off of an Etsy shop. It's Pinnie Mouse, what was it?
Trading Co.
Trading Co. And I really wanted some orange bird ears, so this is what I purchased. I just thought they were, they're pretty basic with the pattern and stuff, but
I think they're
I like
cute.
the art, like the bow, the polka dots.
Mm-hmm.
I just thought they were really cute.
I like that the bow matches the headband.
I mean, I still wouldn't mind to have like the flower and garden orange bird ear, you know,
Yeah.
like ones like that, but I just have been really wanting orange bird. So that's what I got.
How much were they? You don't remember?
I don't remember. I think it's 20 something.
That's not bad.
So, yeah, cute. Should I put them on?
Yes.
Yeah, I haven't bought ears in a long time.
I know, we've been buying so many pins.
And then when we were buying ears, they were all from our Disney store outlet. Disney park ears.
They're cute.
They're cute.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I like them.
Yes. Well,
They're really gonna have to piece them.
so you have ice cream on there too, Mickey shaped oranges, orange bird in different
He's
poses.
wearing on the front. Has
A Mickey
Mickey ear
hat.
hat. Mm-hmm.
And then it looks like
Well, it's a citrus
this
swirl.
is an actual orange bird ear.
ears. Yeah.
So
And the inside has a little strap.
yeah, they're well made.
Yep. They're cute.
All right, well,
See.
thanks for.
Why you put them on?
You already had them on. Oh, it's the end of the night. All right, this is going to be a choppy video. So please like and subscribe, comment down below. And I don't know what I was trying to say there. That didn't come out right. Share the video, do all the fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.